Beloved South Africans, greetings and welcome to the new year of 2026. South Africa has been plagued with false hierarchies, political parties, trade unions and labor unions, NGOs owned by foreign lobbyists. These are all gatekeepers that are meant to keep our country stagnant while they prosper and line in their pockets. Today, I'm introducing the establishment of Fair Employment Opportunity Commission as the President of South Africa. I'm disbanding the useless trade unions and labor unions that are not serving what they were intended for. South African unions are failing to adapt to the modern economy, becoming bureaucratic, losing touch with reality and the needs of its members, and eradicating poverty, nepotism, systematic discrimination in work environments. They operate like political parties and have lost credibility to ever address the need and rights of the working class and create employment. They serve themselves and their ambitions. For this reason, all trade unions and labor unions in South Africa are disbanded with immediate effect. And instead, the SA Equal Employment Commission will be established to address inequality, nepotism, tribal discrimination in working environment, and ensuring that the rights of the employees are protected. This means that all incompetent nepotism beneficiaries will forfeit their job positions, and applicants will not be discriminated or excluded because of their race, color, tribe, sex, including pregnancy, childbirth, or related conditions, age 40 years or older, sexual orientation, LGBTI, disabilities, or genetic information. This will ensure that the right, qualified, and competent South African people have access to job opportunities in both private and government agencies. The laws apply to all types of work environments, including hiring, firing, promotions, harassment, training, wages, benefits, UIF, etc. The SA Equal Employment Commission will have offices in all 9 South African provinces, cities, and regions, and has authority to investigate charges of corruption, discrimination, nepotism against employers who are operating within South Africa. All South Africans are equal and must be treated fairly in working environments. The role in an investigation is to fairly and accurately assess the allegations in the charge and then make a finding. If discrimination has occurred, the charge must be settled and matter resolved, and the employee restored. Business industries that employs foreign nationals will be fined and flagged as risk. No local municipality is allowed to employ people outside their jurisdiction. No government department will employ members of the same family, friends, or tribes. South African government is not a family or tribal business. All South African people must access opportunities according to their merit and not connection. These are some of the efforts to combat workplace discrimination, corruption, and nepotism. The Commission will also work to prevent discrimination before it occurs through outreach, education, and technical assistance programs. The Commission will have enforcement officers who will conduct oversight on all businesses and government agencies, ensuring that fair labor practices laws are enforced and adhered to. The Commission will provide leadership and guidance on all aspects of the state government's equal employment opportunity programs and it will ensure government departments' compliance with the SA Equal Employment Commission and SA labor laws. The SA Equal Employment Commission will appoint a commercial judge who will conduct hearings on equal employment opportunity matters and adjudicate appeals from administrative decisions made by the agencies on equal employment opportunity complaints. All rulings from the hearings will be legally binding. No court will be allowed to appeal the authentic findings of the presiding judge in the SA Equal Employment Commission. Unemployment, economic depravity, nepotism, cadre deployment, tribal discrimination, inequality is a real crime against South African human dignity, and it must be rejected. I thank you.